With constant complaints coming from creators and some creators even leaving the app and expressing how much better their lives have been after doing so, and the drop in the market share of big platforms like Snapchat and Facebook, and the never-ending algorithm changes, and the mild identity crisis that Instagram seems to be going through, the question on everybody's lips and minds is Instagram dying? And the short answer is no, it's not. You're going to have to watch until the end of the video to find out why. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Tshepang Langa, and in this video I'll be breaking down why I think Instagram isn't dying and how you can still grow and succeed on Instagram. So success on Instagram boils down to 3 points. The first is reach. These are the amounts of accounts you're able to reach. The second is conversion. How many of these accounts are you able to turn into loyal followers? And finally, monetization. How much money are you able to make from these loyal followers, right? And before we even break all of this down, it's very important for us to understand the kind of platform that Instagram is. So in its nature, Instagram is a content distribution platform. So in the beginning, all you needed to do on Instagram is post a photo and keep it moving. Now with the rise of new platforms and the emergence of highly competitive platforms like Snapchat and TikTok and YouTube, so Instagram has drawn some inspiration from these platforms to develop new features on their app. For example, with Snapchat, Instagram was then able to develop Instagram stories. With TikTok, Instagram has now developed Reels. Now the problem comes when a content distribution platform like Instagram tries to copy a creator focused and creator favoring platform like TikTok. So we know that TikTok favors creators because every single day TikTok pushes out creators' content to new audiences through the For You page, and we also see through the rise of TikTok creators and how these people have been able to reach a certain level of fame by simply creating TikTok native content. While reaching millions of accounts might be a lot difficult on Instagram than on other platforms like TikTok and YouTube, remember, there's still 2 other factors that you can use to grow your business and succeed on Instagram. And these factors are conversion and monetization. Now, in order for these factors to work in your favor, you are going to need a solid strategy and a little bit of creativity. Now, as I've mentioned, growing your reach on Instagram might be difficult, but it is not impossible. I was able to reach over 10,000 accounts with less than 100 followers in less than 30 days. And I used Reels and carousel posts as they are the best ways to end up on the Explore page, thereby reaching a wider audience. So with that being said, there's nothing wrong with diversifying your social media strategy by jumping onto platforms that prioritize reach like TikTok and YouTube Shorts and funnel that traffic to your Instagram. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You should. Now, to successfully convert these people you've reached into loyal followers, you're going to firstly need to post valuable content. At the rate that Instagram is going, lifestyle content and its creators are having a bit of a tough time because that kind of content is no longer performing well because of what Instagram assumes its users prefer, which is valuable content. So valuable and relatable content is currently winning on Instagram. The story feature and the Instagram DMs are my favorite ways to convert my followers into loyal followers. So I use stickers to engage with them, and even call to actions like send a DM to receive this free Instagram audit. To the third factor, which is monetization. So once you've converted your followers to loyal followers and they are willing and they're now ready and willing to buy your product or your service, Instagram DMs and even live features are a great way to nurture your followers, to turn them into actual buying customers. So yes, all your concerns about Instagram are valid, and I'm also very tired of the never-ending Instagram algorithm changes, but Instagram is still the best platform to nurture and get customers by simply sharing valuable and relatable content. You can check out this video about the algorithm breakdown, or one of the videos that I made about making money on Instagram as an e-commerce store owner. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments whether or not you will be staying or leaving Instagram in 2023. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.